Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to create a shared album in this device. Simply go to the Photos application. Now scroll down. So here you can see the option shared albums. So till now I didn't create any shared album. To create this one, tap on the option create. You can see shared album will appear here when they are added to the library or you subscribe to invitations. Tap on the option create. So here you can enter the name of the album. Just here I am going to enter the name wallpaper. Tap on create on the top right side. You can see now the shared album is created. If you tap on this one, now you can easily add the pictures. So here I am going to add these 4 photos. After add the 4 photos, tap on the add button on the top right side. Tap on post. You can see now we create the shared photo albums. Go back, you can see, tap on this one, you can see the photos and you can see the album. So simply in this way you can create the shared album in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.